The Jewellery Quarter is home to 2 Grade 2 listed cemeteries, Warstone Lane and Key Hill. Warstone Lane Cemetery was established in 1848, the solution to the overcrowding of the existing burial grounds in the city centre. It was strictly reserved for Anglicans, as the nearby Key Hill Cemetery catered to non-conformists. One of the features of the cemetery that makes it worth a visit are its catacombs. They were built because of a sand problem on the site, but provided extra capacity by adding a sort of tiered burial ground. Unfortunately, they have been sealed, but there are suggestions of plans to regenerate the cemetery and re-enable access. Key Hill Cemetery, originally named Birmingham General Cemetery, is the second cemetery located in the quarter. It is the oldest cemetery not connected to a churchyard in Birmingham and was opened in May 1836. Key Hill Cemetery also has Grade 2 listed features, such as the entrance gates and railings. As to be expected, due to its age, it is unavailable for new burials.